I'm Casey.
And I'm Kit.
And together we are
Flower Duet.
We're here today at the flower fields in Carlsbad, California.
We're going to show you how we integrate all of these beautiful flowers into the designs that we're working on for tonight's Field to Vase dinner.
Our design today was inspired actually by the flower fields themselves behind us. See how the colors change from one to the other? So tonight on the tables will be an ombre effect.
Well, it's good to start with longer stems and bigger stems first to create your first sort of architecture for the stems to lock into. So we're starting with the protea, and then we're going to add some beautiful greenery. Then we add the beautiful orange Gerber daisies. So we're also adding this light green bells of Ireland to add a little bit of dimension and height. These are ranunculus seed pods, and they're really beautiful. They add a really nice, interesting textural design into your arrangement. And even though this is considered a monochromatic arrangement because we're using all orange flowers, it's good to add different textures that pull from the different colors, but adding a different interesting look to them.
This is kangaroo pot. It comes in a yellow, but we're using this beautiful brick reddish orange, and inside there's these teeny little flowers. They're absolutely beautiful. And it actually looks like suede, and it's drought tolerant, so we see this a lot in landscaping. And it's going to work great in here because we want something a little bit taller and smaller. When we're designing, we always do a low large and a tall small, and it's just a nicer balance there.
We can add a few more of these Gerber daisies in to give it a little bit more color higher up.
We want to make sure we leave room for the stars of the show.
Yes.
Which we have coming up.
And you always want to vary your heights and work in odds. So you can see we have 3 protea here, and we have 5 Gerber daisies. Now, we do have our star of the day, which is Milano-grown ranunculus. And if you want to know where you can source your own local flowers, all you need to look for is the American-grown flowers label. So you carefully remove the plastic because ranunculus can be a little bit delicate, but these are really fresh. You can see they have beautiful greenery, and we're going to try to keep some of those on in our arrangement. And this is going to add a lot of really neat texture and dimension into the designs.
Use the buds too. They're so sweet, and they definitely add that tall small. They work right in that theme. Wow, that looks great. Looks beautiful.
Yeah. So I'm just going to put one more in, because remember, we're turning it around so we have flowers on all sides of the design. So that way, everybody who's sitting on every side of the table gets to see a beautiful flower smiling at them. Now there's one more thing that we like to add, and Milano grows this as well, and it's called wax flower. It smells really nice, and it looks like a little bit waxy. And this is called a filler flower, and so this is nice to add a little bit more texture, and it fills in some of those negative space areas in your arrangement.
Oh, that's darling.
Well, Casey, I think we're almost ready to go up to the table and put this on the table. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome, Kit. You did a great job, and I think it's time to finish the setup with flowers. Finish with flowers.
From Flower Duet at the Flower Fields in Carlsbad.